Hi, I'm Trish Lee and welcome to Thrive with Trish, a channel where we talk about all things related to mental health and personal growth. Before we dive in, I want to wish everyone in Germany a Merry Christmas, and to everyone else around the world, Merry Christmas Eve to you and your family. Also, I'd like to do a quick thank you shout out to Crystal Vlogs Lifestyle and Cerebral Life for being so amazing and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about how to make peace with the past. Whether you can't stop rehashing conversations and arguments that happened last week, or you're always beating yourself up for a mistake you made years ago, dwelling on the past can keep you stuck in that same place of pain. You can't be your stronger self when your brain is preoccupied with prior mistakes, past hurts, and nagging regret. While some people have PTSD that makes it hard to move forward, others are simply stuck in rumination mode and they can't let go of something that already happened. If you'd like to know more about rumination, I did create a video about this some time back, so do feel free to check it out after this video. I'm gonna put a link up here as well as in the description below. Although a certain amount of self-reflection can of course be healthy for you, but to become your stronger self, you need to be able to focus on the present. Looking backwards makes it impossible to enjoy what's going on around you right now, and it prevents you from making the future as good as it can be. While there are many mental strength exercises that can help you stop dwelling on the past, here are 2 strategies that can help you move forward. Number 1, make peace with your past. You may need to spend a little time thinking about why you're stuck in the past. Do you feel like you aren't worthy of moving forward? Maybe you hurt someone and you think staying stuck in the past is your punishment. Are you holding onto a grudge because you think your anger diminishes someone else's life? Maybe someone hurt you and you're afraid moving on would mean that what they did wasn't that bad. Sometimes dwelling on the past is an easy way to distract yourself from the present. If you find yourself unhappy now, you might be tempted to romanticize how much happier you were back then. Perhaps you recall all the good things that happened in a previous relationship and you filter out all the arguments and problems that led you to break up. To some people, you might think that forgiveness means to make up and be all chummy buddies again. But to me, I think a little differently. I believe there are many ways to forgive someone. Forgiveness can simply mean that you choose to release the anger you feel towards someone. You choose to focus your energy onto the people and moments you are grateful for, rather than to ruminate about a past event that you simply can't change. You can remove someone from your life and still forgive them. Forgiveness can be a really liberating feeling. Another reason why you might be holding on to the past is because you beat yourself up for making the wrong choice. But the truth is, you never know what life would have had in store for you if you had made a different choice. Depending on your circumstances, you may just need to give yourself permission to move forward. And then make a conscious effort to stop yourself every time you keep dwelling on the past. Did something traumatic happen and you never sought treatment? If something serious or a tragic event is what is causing you to focus on the past, you may benefit from professional help to assist you in healing that old emotional wound. Speaking to a licensed mental health professional could help you finally leave that past behind you. Number 2, focus on the lessons you learned. Thinking about the unfairness or the unpleasantness of an event will keep you stuck. To heal, you may need to spend some time focusing on the facts, not the emotions. Walk yourself through a painful memory and think about the facts, not your distress. Try to recall where you were sitting, what you were doing, who was there, and what happened to you. Then consider the lessons you learned from surviving that painful moment or for enduring that difficult experience. Some of the best life lessons can be learned from the toughest times you've endured. So whether you write in a journal or you replay the story inside your head, practice going through the details as if you were a narrator who simply recounts the facts. Doing this a few times can help take the emotional sting out of the experience. My dear friends, refusing to dwell on the past isn't about ignoring the things that happened. Instead, it often means embracing and accepting your experiences so that you can live in the present. So recognize the emotional toll that dwelling on something is taking on you, and then give yourself permission to move forward. If someone has wronged you, this may involve practicing forgiveness. This doesn't mean to forgive and forget. You may have to stick to your decision to have no contact with the person. But focus on forgiving by letting go of the hurt or anger you feel towards that person. Your vision of the future should be about who you want to become, not who you used to be. So while you can reflect on the past enough to learn from it, make sure to let go of whatever anger, shame, or guilt is holding you back from moving forward. My dears, I do hope you found this video to be helpful, and if yes, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with any of your friends and family who might be battling with moving forward in their lives. If you'd like to support my work to help make it possible for me to continue creating helpful, high-quality videos for you, I would really appreciate it if you consider supporting me on Patreon. Every amount, small or big, can really help to make a big difference in my work as a counselor and YouTube content creator. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for your support. Have a super magical Christmas, and I'm sending you and your family so much of love and blessings. I look forward to seeing you in my next episode of Thrive with Trish. Bye everyone. Do you struggle with making peace with the past? What has helped you to move forward? Please do share with me in the comments below.